Hey guys, this is the second video about force body diagram, and this time the forces acting on the mass that is being hung here in a vertical string are the gravity force that is always acting downward, and the string, the force applied by the string, which is also known as normal force, right? So let's talk about the two types of forces that is acting on this mass. So gravity is acting downward again, which is force of gravity or weight equals to mass times gravity. And another force that will be acting that this string applies on the mass is tension force, which will act from the point where it is attached to the string. Okay, it should be straight. I mean, I'm having a little bit hard time drawing that line straight, but that is called force of tension, right? As you also notice, the ball is stationary. Ball is not falling down. That means the net force acting on the object, that is ball in this case, will be zero, right? So let's draw the force body diagram. As I mentioned earlier, to draw the force body diagram, we can always put the body or like object on which different forces are acting as a point, right? That is ball in this case. And two forces acting here are tension force that is acting upward, so arrow indicate the direction, tension force, and another force that is acting downward is the gravity, right? As you notice that the ball is not moving, it is stationary. Okay, so we can say that the net force acting in this case is also zero, right? Net force will be zero, which are the sum, which is the sum of two forces acting here, which is tension force that is acting upward, and another force is gravity. As gravity force is acting downward, I can call gravity force is negative, right? Then as tension force is zero here, you can say net force is zero because object is not moving. The tension force minus gravity is also equals to zero, which implies that the tension force is same as gravity. Okay, so gravity is also the weight of an object, which is mass times extension due to gravity. So if you have an object hung vertically by a string, the tension force is going to be equal to the weight of an object.